Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change country in Pokémon TCG Pocket application using your mobile device. So in order to change your country in Pokémon TCG Pocket, open up your Pokémon TCG Pocket application on your mobile device and make sure to log in first. After logging in from the home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Now, click on Other from the expanded menu. Click on Settings from the Other menu and scroll all the way down until you find the country or region option. Tap the drop-down and select a new country or the region from the list available. Click on OK once you are done with the selection. In order to update the information, your device will automatically quit the app, click on OK, and reopen the Pokémon TCG Pocket application. And that is how you can easily change your country or your region in Pokémon TCG Pocket. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.